What's up guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to open RAR files on Windows 11. So stick around to the end to get all the steps to succeed in doing this. When we open this folder, you can see the name of this file, Studio Upgrade, and you can see the extension, it's a RAR file. You can also see that there is an app to open it. However, if you don't have this app, all you need to do is to go to your web browser. On your web browser, you're going to search for 7-zip. Now this is the same RAR file extractor that I'm using, and it's also free. You can simply scroll down and select the website, and what you're going to do next is to select the download version that is for your Windows. For example, you have Windows 64-bit, you have Windows 32-bit, and 64 RAM 64. You need to know which is your Windows version. For example, mine is 64-bit, so I get to download this. So after downloading it, all you need to do is to follow the prompt to install it, and after it's installed, you can go over to this file. Now, if your RAR files is not set to open with 7-zip, all you need to do is to right click on it, open with, and then you're going to go over to choose another app. You're going to have some options here. For me, you can see the default app is 7-zip. So you can come down and select it. After that's done, you can click on always. And after you've done that, you're going to have the extractor open it up for you. When this happens, you're going to see the number of files in there. All you need to do is to click on extract. It's going to show you the name of the files here as a summary and where you're going to copy it to. Usually the default location is the same folder where the original file is found. You're going to click on OK, and then after that's done, you can see the file is now extracted. We're going to close this, and now you can see that the file is ready to be viewed. So this is how to open RAR files on Windows 11.